I'll show you how to knit simple children's socks on 2 needles. It's roughly for 1 year old. I'm knitting with 2 strands of yarn. I've cast on 21 stitches. Now I'm knitting a 1 by 1 rib, knit 1, purl 1. Near 4 centimeters. Now I'm knitting 8 rows in stocking stitch. Now I'm marking the 7 center stitches. Knit to the second marker. We need 2 stitches together, the marked stitch and the next one. We work the other side, turn the work and purl back. 1 slip, 5 purl, 1 2 3 4 5 and purl 2 stitches together. Work the other side. 1 slip, 5 knit, 1 2 3 4 5 and work 2 stitches together and continue. 1 slip, 5 purl, 1 2 3 4 5 and 2 purl together. And continue. 1 slip, 5 knit, 2 knit together. Now there are 7 stitches on the needle. Now we pick up 5 stitches along this edge. 1 2 3 4 5. And knit. A last work knit and pick up 5 stitches from this H3, 4, 5. Now continue knitting in stocking stitch according to your pattern. Knit according to your size. In my case, it's 8 centimeters. Now, in every row, we knit the first 2 stitches together. 2 stitches together. Wrong side. First 2 stitches together. Purl, 2 stitches together. And continue. First 2 stitches together. In the wrong side, 2 stitches together. Work until 7 stitches remain on the needle. Now we add 1 stitch on each side. Knit all stitches and pick up one from the side. And pick up from the back. Continue. And pick up one from the front. And pick up one from the back. Continue. Work until 15 stitches. And the next we continue like this. Knit now work 2 stitches together and pick up one from the edge. Total 15 stitches. Wrong side. Purl 2 stitches together and pick up one from the edge. Total 15 stitches. And continue, knit 2 stitches together and one from the edge. It's look like this. Now we knit the same way, but using a 1 by 1 rib. Knit 1, purl 1. Knit 1, purl 1. Knit 1, purl 1. Two stitches together and one from the edge. And continue. One by one. Two stitches together and one from the edge. And now bind off all stitches. Continue work, knit and purl the pattern. And here our light socks all finished. I hope you like them and good luck.